Hello everyone, this is your D Machinery channel. That bicycle survived years of rain, rust, and neglect. The industrial shredder looked at its whole life story and said, raw material. Silver cylinder goes in. Red cylinder comes out. Somewhere in that spray cloud, a future emergency hero gets its identity. What once framed a world of display and desire now lies in pieces on the floor, cleared by a single worker with a steel bar and a very specific agenda. The sea held this ground for millennia. In one hull load of stone, humanity quietly decided to take it back. Laser lines guide every nail. Raw concrete stairs dressed in warm wood, one precisely anchored plank at a time. Nobody sees this grid once the ceiling goes up, but every flat, flawless surface above your head started exactly here, one screw at a time. Every stone tamped into place means a train full of people arrives safely. This machine works so the schedule never has to apologize. Every stone tamped into place means a train full of people arrives safely. This machine works so the schedule never has to apologize. Behind every sushi plate in the world, there's someone like him, hauling the ocean's weight, one frozen giant at a time. One mold opens, dozens appear, identical, gleaming, born together in a single breath of blue. That log spent 30 years growing that golden interior in complete privacy. The hydraulic splitter introduced it to the world in about 2 seconds flat. That steel billet is currently burning at over 1,000 degrees and thinks it's in charge. The hydraulic press above it has a very different opinion, measured in tons. That solid wood block had no hollow ambitions. The boring bit arrived with a very specific vision, a high RPM, and absolutely no interest in the original plan. Flat aluminum sheet goes in, a perfectly formed food tray comes out, and somewhere, a takeout meal is already making plans to move in. The excavator lifts, the crew guides, the channel drops into place, 3 workers and 1 machine, building infrastructure that will quietly outlast everyone involved by about a century. Rice spent an entire growing season becoming golden and perfect. This compact harvester consumed that entire achievement in about 40 seconds and moved on without comment. That fluffy mass of mineral fiber doesn't look like much going in. A few rollers later, it becomes the reason someone's building stays warm all winter. Young worker, angle grinder. Dramatic sparks flying straight down. Whoever said skilled trades weren't cinematic clearly never stood this close to the action. The lathe already did the hard work. The brush showed up for the finishing touch, the woodworking equivalent of someone adjusting their tie right before the photo. Drawing a perfect circle freehand is hard. Letting a pivot arm and a plasma torch do it while fire pours out the bottom is a completely different kind of geometry lesson. The weeds in this field had absolutely no idea what kind of Tuesday they were about to have. The flame weeder, however, had a very detailed schedule. Bare metal in, matte black perfection out. Her wrist never wavers, not even once. Coil after coil, copper catching light like liquid gold. Each loop wound tighter than the last. That raw material had no idea it was about to become 1,000 toothpicks before lunch. The slitter had a very thorough plan and zero interest in discussion. Wet concrete poured into a mold looks like it has options. The vibrator disagrees, the steel form disagrees, and in 24 hours, so will the concrete itself. Water entered those molds as a liquid with no particular ambitions. After a long, cold night, it exited as a 50-kilogram block with significantly more structure and self-respect. Watch in awe as this gifted craftsman carves with remarkable accuracy and rhythm, each deliberate stroke revealing beauty hidden within the wood. The powerful chipper rapidly consumes the tangled branches, reducing them to fine mulch with astonishing accuracy. Watch in awe as this mighty polishing machine spins at breathtaking velocity, refining each spoon with remarkable accuracy and delicate control. In one continuous hypnotic flow, skilled hands refine the complex design with astonishing precision, revealing the hidden elegance within heavy steel. The high-speed line crafts delicate glass bottles with astonishing control, turning raw heat into refined transparency. Feel the intense energy as this robust recycling system swiftly breaks down waste into valuable new resources with astonishing speed and pinpoint precision. In one continuous, mesmerizing rhythm, these dedicated hands soar through endless streams of cargo with breathtaking speed and pinpoint accuracy. Watch in awe as the powerful machine devours thick cables at breathtaking speed, separating valuable metal from its sheath with remarkable accuracy and control. With breathtaking speed and flawless precision, the powerful CNC lathe carves the spinning metal, transforming raw stock into perfectly engineered components in moments. Watch in awe as the powerful hydraulic machine rapidly fractures the thick timber with astonishing speed and flawless control, turning solid logs into usable firewood. Like a mechanical giant awakening the soil, the tracked harvester swiftly uproots the old tree, reshaping the landscape with breathtaking strength and control. The giant electromagnet swiftly pulls valuable steel from the wreckage, transforming disorder into organized opportunity. The powerful CNC lathe carves perfect threads into spinning steel, transforming raw metal into flawless engineering artistry. Hundreds of threads, one machine, and somehow, a living, breathing pattern emerges from the chaos. No undo button, no erase tool, no second chances, just a brush, cobalt pigment, and the absolute commitment that comes with painting directly onto raw porcelain. That glowing red disc looks small against the press. It is not. But the hydraulic cylinder above it has significantly more pinions, measured in several hundred tons. Green leaves cut at the peak of their potential, still carrying mountain air and morning dew, already on a journey toward the cup that won't be poured for weeks. What appears to be an automatic chain-link forming machine, each steel blank bent, interlocked, and closed in a single continuous cycle, while coolant prevents work hardening at the bend zone between every link. Each coil formed in seconds, destined for a seat cushion, a door latch, an engine valve, or a pen clip, quietly storing and releasing energy wherever life asks it to. Four tools, attacking one tiny part simultaneously, like a coordinated ambush where the metal never stood a chance, and the finished dimension was never in doubt. That bottle is glowing like it just won something. Technically it did. It survived molten glass, a steel mold, and the entire forming process in under 10 seconds. That steel sheet came in completely flat and confident. The press brake had a very specific geometric opinion, and the steel had no choice but to agree. Steel form releases. Concrete stands on its own, for the first time, still wet at the edges, already carrying the shape it will keep for the next 100 years. Hot pipe, saddle die. 2 pairs of tongs holding position. 1 downward stroke and a straight section becomes an elbow. That flow will follow for the rest of its working life. Rotating blades strip the outer layer, while a secondary cutter removes root ends, clean, precise, zero waste. Liquid poured in, solid spun out. The transformation happens so fast, you almost miss the magic. A high RPM circular blade tears through timber with surgical consistency. Sawdust clouds mark every flawless cut. Each press cycle applies thousands of pounds of force, shaping raw sheet metal into mirror finish components in one clean strike. Loose earth. Brutal pressure. And just like that, something solid enough to build a future on. That chunk of wood had absolutely no say in what it was about to become. The lathe decided. End of discussion. Every machine you just watched was built by human hands, run by human skill, and perfected by human obsession. That's what we celebrate here at DM Machinery. If this satisfied something deep in your brain, hit subscribe. The next one's already waiting.